This is my workshop. I live in New Zealand. That's the rubbish firewood. This is my wood pile. Pallet wood that I've collected and denamed. My workshop's starting to come together. I only just started making things to help me organise it. There's a lot of work to do. I've used this bandsaw once. I've had it for about a year. Just built it last week. Took it out of the box. Built it. More organisation. These guys have sat for 5-10 years. Never really knew what I had. This is the next box of tools that is going to need organising. All sorts of stuff in here that who knows what's in there. This is the current project, is to make a workbench. So everything's made out of pallets. The form ply of the floor is just to give me a level surface to work on, because concrete floor both floods and is incredibly uneven. In order to make bits long enough for a workbench, just over 2 meters long, I had to mill and do some half laps. So that will come together. Just serviced my planer, which is terrible but works better when the blades are sharp. Pillar drill. I did do some work installing double glazed windows for a while, so I have this weirdly specific tool for doing mortise and tenon joints, square mortise, which is really cool. I still don't have a workbench, so my vise is on a piece of wood that I can put on the table with clamps if I need to use it. Mostly I use it for denailing timbers. That's our kitty cat. That's baby Smush Face. Actual name is Pippi. She's only newly just been allowed outside. The one really good tool that I have is my jet table saw that I set on fire quite early on. I've just learned how to clean the blades and what a difference that makes. This is all the clamps that I own on that rack up there, and I actually have 4 sash clamps, which, like that. That's it, 1 pipe clamp, which I'll make more of because they're quite easy and cheap. There's more legs and such milled up for the table I haven't managed to make yet.